Today I'm going to discuss about variable. What is variable? Variable is like a container where we can store our data. So there are three keywords we use to store our data. These are var, let, const. Using var, let or const, we can store our data. The process is first we write the our fixed keyword. We cannot write anything here. It is because it is fixed, and after this we will write a fixed letter. Suppose we will write a keyword. It can be any name or anything according to your wish or according to your need. Suppose it is admin true. So if we run the code, then we can't log the value. If we run the code, then it will show our current declarable value. So another thing is let. So it can be any data type we can store using var, let, const. Now this. So the last one is const. There is a difference. I will tell you after some time. So suppose value of pi is fixed. Suppose value of pi. So if we log the clear at the terminal and run the code, then it will show our result. Now the thing is, can we redeclare it? Yes, the var keyword can be redeclarable. We can redeclare isAdmin is true and isAdmin is false, and it is a problem. Unfortunately, a developer is assigned the value is true, but another developer he is not known the case. He redeclare after long code here. He declare isAdmin is false. Then it will show not the current value, and it can create conflict. So redeclare is more risky, and var is also a old keyword. The new keyword and latest keywords are let and const, and these are safe because you can redeclare it. It's showing a redeclare error, but if we can cut the let, the error is gone. That means you can reassign the value. You can't redeclare, but you can reassign. You can change the number value after the first is declare statement. The next is reassign statement. Suppose we reassigned and give it another value. So we can reassign. And the last one, constant, we can redeclare and cannot reassign. So this is the const. and this is the basic difference of const, let and var. And some other differences are scope and wasting, but we uh, sorry, scope and wasting and auto keyword mistake. So, and the scope and wasting, we are not going to discuss about scope and wasting here. We are going to discuss scope and wasting after next lecture. And now this is enough. That is the valid const, and this is the variable, and how, and this is the way we can store our data. So thank you.